Hi everyone. So this is lecture 11 where we are going to learn about advanced HTML formatting tags. So these formatting tags in HTML provide structure and meaning to the content. Let's explore some advanced HTML tag for text formatting that can be useful for us. So first of all, we have a mark tag. So mark tag basically used to highlight the text. If I'm going to write it's me Komal and I want to highlight this text Komal, it should be highlighted. So for that I can use mark tag. And inside mark tag I'm going to write Komal and I'm going to remove Komal from here. Now what happened? Komal is highlighted in our web page. Let's see our web page as well. So you can see it's me Komal. Komal is in the highlighted because for Komal we use mark tag. Now another we have a subscript and superscript. So subscript is used for the text which appear below the normal line. For example, if we have a formula H2O and we know that 2 appears below the letter H. So for that we can use subscript. Here I'm going to write H and for 2 I'm going to use my subscript and inside subscript I'm going to write 2 and then O. Let's see whether to come below H or not. So you can see while using subscript, we can make the text appear below the normal line. And for superscript, we can use for what purposes? Let me show you that as well. So I'm going to take another p tag and here I want 10 to the power 3. So for that, for powering 3, I can use my superscript and inside superscript I'm going to write 3. So we know that 10 to the power 3 is what? It's 1000, 10 into 10 into 10. 3 times it's become 1000. Let me save this file. Now let's see our web page. So you can see 10 ki power 3 is 1000. And what does H2O represent? It represents water. So here I'm going to write H2O is water. Let me save this as well. Now you can see our web page. So you can see H2O is water. Okay, now you can see H2 is water. So now we have another some advanced tag that is block quote and code. Block quote basically we use to define a block of text that is a quotation from another source. So let me, if we have to give any quotation, so for that we can use a block quote. Let me use that. Do or die is written by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, let me put it in a save. Let me save this. Now you can see in a web page how it's looking like. Do or Die is written by Mahatma Gandhi. So the format comes in a form of quotation form because it is used for define a quotation from another source. So in this way you can use a quotation and the another one is code. Like code is used to define a piece of computer code. Let me use it as well. Here I am going to take one paragraph tag and inside paragraph tag I'm going to write use the use the print method. Okay, let me save this and you can see how it's looking now and after putting code and use the print. And here I'm going to take a code tag for print because we know that print method is used to define a piece of computer code. So here I'm going to take a code, and inside code I'm going to copy this print method and paste it here in between. Let me save this file. Now you can see in our web page, use the print method. It's looking like that. How good now it is looking. So it comes in a computer code, like in computer code we are using. So now you can understand code is used to define a piece of computer code. So by using these tags appropriately enhances the readability and presentation of the web application. These tags provide additional semantic meaning to your content and help structure and format text in a more specialized way. You can use these tags to enhance the clarity and presentation of the HTML document. So now I'm going to end this video lecture here only, and we will read about next topic in upcoming classes.